Hello and welcome to Drone Power. My name is Frank and I just got a new drone. So this will be like a very simple unboxing. I'm just going to open the box and look what's inside. See what it is? It's the new Mavic Mini 3 Pro. The box is super small. I didn't imagine it would be like this small, but super small. So we're going to open it. Remove the paper, plastic. Oh, this is tiny, super small. Oh. Can you see this? This is like super small. Whoa. And this channel is not sponsored by DJI. I bought this drone for my own money, so I will charge it up and take it out for a spin, and there will be a lot of more videos on this channel where I fly the drone and all the cinematics that I will take. So that's the drone. And this is the new remote. This is mainly why I bought this drone. It's because of the remote, and my old drone was a DJI Mavic Air, so this will be upgrade for me. I will get OcuSync, and yeah, the remote itself will be a big upgrade. Because my old Mavic Air, I had some problems to mount my new iPhone on it. This is too big for the old Mavic Air controller, so that's mainly why I ordered this new one. So now I will charge it up and get out flying, and I will get back to you later on. Have a nice day. Bye bye.